Welcome to DWBIADDA channel. Please subscribe for latest training videos.
Today we are going to see how to add scroll bars to a chart in a Qliksense. So for that we will take filter pane as a chart and add dimension. I will going to add that field in which I have a large data set. So for that I am going to take, let's say, business entity ID. Okay, and for the second chart, bar chart, we take dimension as a product name and my year as a sum of sale. Okay, so just done it. So here you can see, due to the responsiveness of updated versions of Qliksense, it is very clear that the scroll bars have been added automatically. It's always depend upon your data. So you can see here that the scroll bars are working very fine. Look, and same as the case in the bar chart, as it is in the vertical position, so it's automatically shifts scroll bar in the bottom. If we take it as a horizontal, here you can see that it working fine. It automatically added on the right side and it's working fine. Look, so that's how it's the Qliksense is working fine with the scroll bars.